You can connect nearly anything with stainless steel push fittings. Still working with copper? There's a fitting for that. PEX, CPVC, PERT, there's a fitting for that. And here's the best part. Trick question. They're all the same fitting. No matter what you're trying to connect, Beauchard Industries stainless steel push fittings can probably do it. And do it with style. Our patented sweep elbows means no turbulence in turns. If there's one place in your plumbing system that's likely to lose speed, it's those hard 90s. Just watch this example of our stainless steel PEX fittings. I think the results speak for themselves. Now, of course, we know what the usual arguments are that the other guys say.
Nobody plumbs like that.
This wasn't a pressurized test.
Dude, we know. We've seen the YouTube comments. We've done our own testing in a pressurized environment. This is just a visual, so relax. Truth is, it's easier to do a turn in a rounded turn than it is in a hard one. Just ask anybody who's cruised through a stop sign. If you want to know more about our stainless steel push fittings, head to Beauchard.com. Available now at a wholesaler near you.